think the biggest problem that Boomi solves is a problem of time. The speed of business has increased dramatically, even over the last 5 years. When a company wants to implement a new cloud-based application, either for to address an opportunity or change in business process, they want to put that in. They want that up and running in a couple months. If you then have to tack 6 months onto that to do a custom integration, it really extends the time to benefit. So the integration part of a project like that is no longer a real barrier to time to benefit. The integration can be done really at the same time that a cloud application is being configured and put up and running. Before Boomi was available, a lot of custom code was involved in building integrations. It was often 3 or 4 months of a time of developer to create one point-to-point integration. Boomi changed all that, particularly for cloud endpoints. With Boomi, you can set up a basic integration in a couple of weeks. Kitepipe is the only integration consulting firm that works exclusively with Boomi. And here are some of the reasons why. We find that Boomi lets us solve the widest range of problems. They've got 100 plus connectors that are pre-coded to connect into cloud or on-premise environments. So generally, whatever situation we go into, there are connectors available to let us quickly connect into the data sources. It also has a lot of different ways to handle transactions. You can do scheduled pulls of data. You can set up a web service that accepts inbound transactions. You can pull an Amazon queue. Boomi has its own queuing service. It's a tool set to solve a wide range of integration problems. And that's really good for us because one customer to the next, the environment is different, the endpoints are different, the business drivers are different, the needs are different. We've got to be really flexible and highly productive, and Boomi lets us do that. For our customers, that means we can confidently go in and solve their integration problems. Our exclusive use of Boomi is really a competitive advantage for us. We don't want to use 3 or 4 different tools and not really be very good at any one. Because integration is complex and can be time intensive, as a customer, you want to hire someone who is really experts at using their tool to solve your problem. You don't want them learning on the job. You don't want them maybe having a little experience with it and trying to stay a couple weeks ahead of you. You want the guys who really know the tool and can use it highly effectively to solve your problems.